Morning guys! So, nag-ready namin guys kaya we're going to Simala Church.
So
Meron
guys,
kasi tayo
morning outfit, all brown, top blue, and we're going to Simala Shrine. Yeah.
So, nanami dire sa bus guys, going to Simala Church. Then, see you there na lang guys.
So, time now is 12 o'clock. So it's like 2 hours, 20 minutes, short tricycle drive, and we're here.
Ikaw ang among dalampanan, ikaw ang among sumbunganan, ikaw ang gugmang ang way sama, maluluy namong inahan, o Birhen sa lindugon. Aniya kami nagpasalamat kanimo, o inahan, ikaw ang among gugma. Sa kasakit ug kalipay, anaa ka kanunay, Maria. Ikaw ang among kahayan,
So karon naman namig panagot guys. Thank you so much Mother Mary kasi this is a big blessing talaga Mother Mary. Kasi nakapunta naman ako ulit dito sa simbahan mo at daghang salamat na okay na ako sa akong sakit at this is a big blessing at lahat ng pinipray ko at tinutupad mo talaga Mother Mary. Thank you so much for everything. Magdaghang salamat Mother Mary kasi we are still strong now. So yung relationship ko with my LDR boyfriend and now we are officially engaged and looking forward to get married soon. And thank you so much Mother Mary because of you. Tinupad mo talaga yung hinihingi ko sa'yo na bigyan mo ako ng tamang tao at finally I found him, so I'm so happy with him and also take care of him and his family too. And thank you so much Mother Mary. Thank you for everything. We love you so much Mother Mary.
Ikaw ang among kahayag sa nangit-ngit namong kalag. Gisangpit ka, giludhan ka. Ikaw ang inahan sa gugma. O Birhen sa lintugon, paniyak kami na
So guys, pauli na may gikan sa nalamid sa simbahan. So